Okay, this video is Collier's class. It's about the video assignment and how to upload it and how to know what's being evaluated. Just so you know, we've talked about this in class, but here's a good model and here's a poor model, and I talked about how I would have graded it differently. Okay, so you will need a video file that you upload to this Dropbox. And so let me preview this as a student so we can see what you would see if you as a student. Okay, so you will see hand in. So you will click hand in. This is, you can't hand in in a preview. Oh, great. So I'm going to exit. You will see hand in. You will click through that and you will see something that looks like this. But for you, it will just be one person here. You will click hand in, but I also want to show you on your assignment details. Here is your how-to in the library. This is your rubric. This tells you how I'm going to grade it. Okay, you get all points if you meet expectations, 3 out of the 4. If you doesn't quite meet expectations, you can read forward. But then don't think all of this is weighted the same. Notice I've got weights over here. So when title is weighted 4%, you get all 4 points if it meets expectations. If the title does not accurately describe the video content, then you would get 2 out of the 4 points. Come down here, if you get a 4, then you get all 56 points for the step-by-step instruction. If you miss too many steps that it's hard to follow, then you get half of those points. 2 out of 4, 1/2. Half of 56 would be 28. There we go. I had to think about that. All righty. So that's how this rubric works. So this tells you how to meet the expectations. The only thing that would be somewhat arbitrary or subjective is the creativity. You should be able to make a 92 because it's 8% and it not be creative at all. Okay. For you to make 100 or something super high to 100, I want you to be creative. Okay. But you can make an A without any creativity. Okay. So just keep that in mind. Let me know if you have any questions. You want to make sure that when you upload it, I'm going to see if I can get back. So when you upload it, it takes a while. You'll see that thing spinning. Don't close out of your window before you have checked to make sure it uploads, because otherwise it will say that there is nothing submitted, and you should be able to tell that you handed something in. So take a minute to look at those things so that you know you've uploaded what's necessary. The video is due September 19th at midnight. Let me know if you have any questions.